This free report reveals the secrets to effective home foreclosure help. Insider foreclosure prevention secrets revealed here. The Home Foreclosure Help Report shows you how you can effectively stop home foreclosure. The secret foreclosure prevention tactics shown in this report are proven to work because these tactics have helped thousands of homeowners save their home from foreclosure. You do have options to stop home foreclosure, even though it seems like the banks and the feds are trying everything to keep you from saving your home from foreclosure. 5 most common things that make qualified written requests ineffective, why most QWRs don't work, and how to submit a powerful QWR that gets results. 3 reasons why you should care about home foreclosure and proper mortgage securitization, why this is a very important part of foreclosure prevention. Identifying mortgage assignment fraud, 6 action steps, 6 easy steps you can take to expose mortgage assignment fraud. Quiet title action helps avoid foreclosure, how you can use this powerful foreclosure prevention tactic, and much more. Little known home foreclosure prevention tactics revealed. Subscribe or share below to download a free copy of the Home Foreclosure Help Report.